watching videos, trying to figure out what to do today. It's gonna be raining. Gonna be raining. Gonna be raining. Trying to figure out what to do today. Chatting with today. I don't know what to do. Help me. Watching. What's the movie called again? I forgot what it's called. What's the movie called again? Okay, whatever. Home. Hanging out with this big head. It's a rainy day today. On my way. It's a rainy day, so we're trying to figure out today. Might go do some things over here in the Anaheim area. But before that, I ordered Roscoe's chicken and waffles. So we're about to get there. Gotta go downstairs, pick that up, see how good that is. Last night we had some Hooters. Are you really? Are you really? Are you really? Keep your feet to yourself. In the hallway. I like it. Nice. It's quiet. You don't even really get people when they're going through the hallway. So right now I probably sound loud, so I'm gonna go in. But yeah, I'm over here looking like yesterday. But it's early. So it doesn't really, don't tell Sophia, don't really like it's raining right now. But I was not in the mood to go to Universal. How many times we gonna go to Universal? How many times we gonna do the same thing? So it's gonna be fun to do something different. Cause she gets stuck in her ways and she always wants to do the same thing over and over. But it's her birthday. So I'm trying to make sure she has some fun, you know. But I can live without going to theme parks 3 days in a row. But it's gloomy out and we brought like California style clothes. See, it's gloomy. Thank you. Have a good day. Got the phone. All right. So yes, it is bright and early, but we got mac and cheese to try it out. Oh my! I had some, so it's waffles, chicken, eggs. That's not really for chicken. But anyway, yeah, still trying to get the day started. But hopefully we get a few good hours. Find something good to eat. Get ready. Sophia seemed unmotivated since her plans changed. So we gotta get her back on track. She's sitting here watching Arthur. All right, let me figure this out. Oh, okay. So we starting our day. We starting our day. We look thick, but you know what? We embracing our thickness. We embracing it, right? We're about to get started. Cafe in here also, but all right, so we're gonna do this, and there's a Ferris wheel out here also, and I swear every place you go out here there's a Ferris wheel. So I'm trying to, can you park here? That's how all the lines are green, right? Okay, so We about to go. We gotta go back. About to go to Del Frisco's. I'm videoing. Hello.
Good afternoon. How are you doing today?
Good, and you?
Doing good. Here's our happy hour menu for you.
Okay.
And then here's the drink.
Okay.
Wonderful. My name is Rose. I'm going to be helping you out today.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Can I get you all started off with water?
We're outside. But so we're gonna do the happy hour. Like I said, they used to have this in Long Island and then they closed it. But so we're gonna do this real quick. Cause right, it only come like 1 or 2. We really headed back to get ready and do what we gotta do. About to get dressed to go out to eat. We went to the Irvin Spectrum Center. They got a lot of restaurants. The average stores, whatever it is you have. We went there for the Hello Kitty Cafe. We went to Dave and Buster's, but they also had like an escape room. They had VR stuff. They had the Ferris wheel. So it's a cute place to hang out if you want to hang out over here. And it wasn't far. It was like 15, 20 minutes from Anaheim. Oh, wait, let me get out the way. All right, birthday girl.
We can stay there. Stop making an awkward face. She looks like this.
Dinner number 2.
Serve a look, honey.
Got the shoes.
Alright, come on, move over.
In this place, we would like us some steak. So I'm going to the Capital Grille. Thank you. Yeah. So cute. Oh. So cute. Really? It's so cute. Okay.
Or a lobster mac and cheese to follow.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
This is a big one. See everything? This is skin, guys. It's a big.
Well, where's your water tank? Right? That water's still full.
Cheers.
She do not swallow water the same that she swallowed. Don't open till I gotta keep before we go home.
Cheers. Drink,
Oh,
drink,
look at her.
drink.
She proved that's right.
You want more? So you. Why are you sliding across the table? Cheers. Maybe you could ask them for one of these to go if they have to-go cups.
I thought they got to go girl.
What if they serve takeout?
Refreshing. Refreshing.
You don't want to go over there.
I'll refresh my water.
Why are you trying to do better on us?
You can't lay down. That's not how the photo gonna go. We not doing sleeping photos?
Sleep where?
That's not what we supposed to be doing?
We're demonstrating how to sleep.
Is that what we're doing? Okay. Alright, we're about to do our matching pajamas. Saw last night? Get up. We're not doing it laying down. Get you. Okay. We're about to end the night. You don't want yours now? So that's how we ended the night. Are we doing something else? Oh, okay. Never going to bed? Okay. I'm going to bed. You just act like I'm up. Okay. Oh, I'm getting crumbs. How do you, oh, one more, unfold. Oh, that's mine. It ain't ruined. She said good at room temperature. It's not smushed. The things fell off. Yeah, that's what it was. They was on top and they fell off. Oh, it did slide. It's gonna all mix in your belly.
Give me some of that macaroni.
Yeah, okay. Ugh. All right. That food was on top. It looked like something was pasted there.
Demonstration.